City of Greater Bendigo has installed these new smart pay-by-plate parking meters. All you need to do is type in your vehicle's registration number and pay by either card or coin. The machines are also paperless, so you don't need to return to your car to put a ticket on the dashboard. To use the new smart meter, you simply enter your car's number plate into the meter using the keypad and press OK. Then select whether you want to pay by card or coins. If you are paying by coins, just insert the coins needed for the amount of time you want to stay, in line with the time limits of the area where you are parking, and the amount of time will be displayed on the meter. If you want to pay with a card, use the more or less arrows to select how much time you want to pay for, again in line with the time limits of the area where you are parking, and press OK. You then tap or insert your card to pay. The new meters won't issue a ticket, but you can request an e-receipt to be emailed to you. And while you're enjoying shopping in our city centre, if you're wondering how much time you have left on your meter, you can type in your vehicle registration number into any smart parking meter in the city centre and it will tell you how much time you have left. How simple is that?